Hey guys, this is Shanu again with InnoKinetic. Today we've created a video that's going to be somewhat outrageous. I think we're going to stir up a little bit of controversy with this prediction. So what is our prediction? We believe Lotus is going to be building their upcoming EV crossover in South Carolina. Now, bear with me. Let me connect the dots for you, okay? There have been a lot of very interesting things happening in the automotive space. We know that Lotus is moving towards an all EV future. They've just introduced the Emira, which is going to be their last internal combustion engine sports car. We also know that they have been working on a crossover, okay? Much like Porsche have managed to sell a boatload of four-door vehicles, mostly Macans and Cayennes, we know that Lotus is eyeing that segment as an important growing segment, large segment that they need to tap into in order to frankly fund the existence of their sports cars. It's worked very, very well for Porsche. By selling more Macans and Cayennes, they keep coming out with GT3 RSs and GT2 RSs and GT4s and lots of great fun sports cars. We hope that same formula is what will help Lotus. So this crossover that they're planning on introducing, we are speculating that it will be built in South Carolina. So where did that come from? Well, we know Lotus is owned by Geely. Geely is a Chinese company that also owns Volvo. Volvo also owned Polestar. So we have in recent days seen introductions from both Volvo as well as Polestar about their crossovers that they're going to be producing. Now, we believe that Lotus will share the platform with Volvo and Polestar. So the Polestar 3, the Volvo XC30 or XC40 recently announced the plan is to produce them in South Carolina at a Volvo factory. Well, we know that the crossover market in the US is huge. And Lotus has also stated that they will produce their sports cars in the UK, but any other vehicle may be produced in other parts of the world. So in our mind, it makes a hell of a lot of sense that they would produce this crossover. Some of you have seen the patent drawings, which looks pretty cool and looks very similar to the Volvo and the Polestar. They haven't shown much more than the draped over silhouette, but the Lotus proportions look similar enough to the Volvo that we believe that will be the case. We also know that developing their own platform by themselves is simply too expensive. So platform sharing is really what they need to do here. So to come back, why do we think Lotus is going to produce cars and this particular car in the US? Well, one, they're owned by Geely. Two, Geely's manufacturers, Volvo and Polestar, have already stated that they are producing a crossover in the US. We know that platform sharing is something that Lotus has done quite a bit in the past, and it makes sense in this case because producing their own platform is going to be far too expensive. The fact that the US market is such a huge crossover space, it only makes sense for Lotus to produce their crossover on this platform in South Carolina at the Volvo factory. So there you have it. That's our outrageous prediction. Do we think it's going to happen? Yes. Do we know it's going to happen? No. But we think that it makes a lot of sense for all those points that I brought up. And we wanted to throw it out there on the interwebs to be the first to actually make this claim because we haven't seen anyone else state this yet. So we'll see if it comes to fruition or not. Soon enough, Lotus, I'm sure, will be introducing more information about their crossover because we believe that that vehicle is going to be critical to their long-term success. So there you have it, guys. Love to see your comments down below. Subscribe to our channel. Though most of our content is going to be sports car related and lightweight sports car related, this was too salient of a prediction that we had to create this video and share it with you guys. So let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys at the next video. Thank you.